that's slow then.
Hopefully, and trim a little bit of the bumper, and hopefully that'll get it to finally fit right. Now it's not ideal because these are facing, I could go like that so I can get them slightly away from this support beam. They've clearly been on here for a bit. This is going to be a little tough because there's these lines back here for cooling. Yeah, that one's gonna be a little harsh the way that's set up. Oh, that is significantly better, but I still have to trim here and over here. This part right here still needs a little bit more trimming, and right here it looks like them being pointed upwards is definitely going to be better, because you can imagine when they were pointing downwards they were coming here intact with the bumpers. So I can still do this and still not hit those lines. That'll be good. I mean, listen, I'm just shortening my life by significantly less than what it's already shortened by. Running these low profile ramps, since this car's pretty low, I couldn't get it on the jack for the oil change. Those are, I think, circuit sport ones, so I gotta now get it up, and this thing's been, you know, oil change for a while now. I've been slacking, well really it's just time, but
that was a.
what's that?
The FRS 86 whatever.
Yeah, that's the only car they've ever built. From what I'm aware of, that's the only car they built.
I mean, in the early 2000s, they built like 14 cars.
Other people that play live music or their dogs have the airport.
And they bring us carnitas.
Yeah, they were just
Almost 2 years. The manual transmission's right there. The goal is to swap it.
It's no good there.
Well,
Yeah, but he needs money.
I don't have the money, man.
You want a sponsor?
Huh?
You want a sponsor? Then what's your name?
Yes, put my name on the side.
You got it.
NotBmusic.com.
Dude, right now.
Still open? Is that still out?
Step away.
It's so fucking loud. One of the police is bad.
Did I ever tell you a story when I was with Ahmed? You remember his...
No power steering. Sounds good. Anybody who says that, you know, like the 350 or the 370 sound, like that's got the same trumpet sound. Now, granted, different pipes will make it sound a little bit more aggressive, but like it's similar. I don't know what everybody's talking about. We are going to be taking this one for a little drive, not in this video. That's going to be coming up. I'm going to do a POV video on it. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. Mazdaspeed3 finally e-tuned. The tuner said it's good to go, everything looks good. We did have to replace one of the spark, well, we replaced all 4 spark plugs, even though the ones that were in there were pretty fresh. But as you saw, one of them had a crack in the, was it porcelain or whatever you call it? And so it was misfiring. So we replaced all 4, and now we're gonna go take this thing a little bit for a rip. It's a nice night, it's like 60 degrees. it's
when you're in the
if you
lower range.
yeah, if you started at 3K, it's not, it doesn't like
but
it.
if you're going through the...
Yeah, if you're...
I guess I can live with that.
Yeah, that's not bad. So when you're on the track, you're gonna be...
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be doing
Yeah.
that anyways. Oh, yeah, we can lower that. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. The grip those tires give is
Oh, I know.
insane.
Imagine if we had the stock tires on.
Oh yeah, no, it'd be smoking all day, dude. It'd be smoke. Those tires were done. Holy shit. It's just when it's the lower load, when you're starting from like 3K.
That's okay.
That's not too bad. Oh yeah, good thing I saw you. I would have stopped. Dude, it's just... Oh fuck, man. That's... Dude, that would get me in trouble so fast.
This thing?
Oh, dude, I'd be fucked. Are you kidding me? If I owned this? If I owned this, I would be fucked. Guaranteed, 100%. They would smash my car. They would fucking grab a toe. I'm like, fuck you, you own
I
this. I can't remember.
I forgot who I was talking to. I can barely remember the name of the tires.
Look at this. Oh my god. You see that shit? That's why you gotta pay attention. That's why you gotta pay attention. Because if we just went, we could have been hit. Fucking A, man.
Why we're not stupid when we drive.
You gotta be smart where you do stupid shit, you know?
I don't know. Imagine if this thing got totaled now.
I'm not good at like numbers on horsepower numbers, but there's just no way, man. The way it goes.
Now that we got the tires warm, it's keeping
Oh,
it.
dude, yeah, no, it doesn't even want to fucking brake. Like, no matter how hard I slam it into second, it doesn't spin. And I have traction control off this whole time.
Did it the one time or whatever, and now the tires are warm. Now it's like,
Fucking fantastic, man.
you know, I mean stock size, but more racing stuff.
It just wants to go, man. It's like, just let me loose. Just keep going. It's like, fuck this. That's crazy, man. That's fucking, holy shit.